So there is our vacuum hose coming into the wall. As you can see right now, I can just pull the hose out because it doesn't have a flap on it at all anymore. The flap broke off. This was an original, I believe that's a Hayward. So eventually the flap just, the plastic gets kind of eaten up by the chlorine and it broke off. So this one has the set screw in it as well too. The one that we bought here on Amazon is pretty much just a replica of this one. And after I pulled the Allen out on this one, it was still pretty tight. So I've got just an old pair of channel locks. So got that pulled off there. And you can see here, this is supposed to have the flap here, and the flap is a safety flap, so if the hose gets pulled out, the flap will shut and you won't get, a kid's hair sucked in there or anything like that. But eventually the flap just gets old and breaks off. This was an original Hayward one, I believe, and it's been in there for probably 5 or 6 years, but the chlorine, just kind of starts to weaken the plastic on it. So here's the new one that we got. Pretty much just a replica of that old one. It's got a set screw on it. It's got the flap that was broken off of our other one. The flap actually has a little retainer there for the hose. And so this is going to be a good solution. The only thing to note is that the Allen screw on this one is a different size than the other one. This one is a 2.5 metric. The other one is a 2 metric. So just make sure you got a metric set, or go to the hardware store and test them out before you get into this project. So throw that one in there. This is the 2.5 metric. Tighten that up. So there we go. Got the flap open, got the hose back in, and now we're good to go. If that hose gets pulled out, the flap will close and it won't have that suction point there. Some of you guys might be thinking, is this really a big deal? It's a big deal. It's a safety feature, so if it's broken, spend a few bucks, get it fixed so you don't have to worry about it. So pretty easy fix, takes about 5 minutes. And this part that we used here fit no problems. Like I said, the only difference that we really experienced was that the Allen key was a little bit different. So we were a 2 on the old one, 2.5 on this one, but other than that, all good to go. Thanks for watching.